What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and newest microcap plays in the crypto space. My name is Joven, and I am back with a highly volted video once again. The voltage never stops, man. I'm super happy to cover Volt on the channel. Anytime I cover Volt on the channel, it's a electrifying and shocking experience for me because this project remains bullish no matter the market conditions. The community, one of the most based communities in the space. Now, before we dive any deeper into Volt, Meme Coin Daily 1,120 subscribers. Be sure, if you hold Volt, if this is your first time hearing about the channel, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps the channel out. Let's get this video into the algorithm so everyone on YouTube, in crypto YouTube, or just YouTube in general, knows about Volt. Like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, Volt Army. As we can see right now, 3.2 million in liquidity on the Ethereum side. What's so great about Volt is that you can get it on ETH and BSC. Gas fees, I know, be kicking a lot of people in their butts sometimes, so get it. Volt on BSC comes in clutch for a lot of people. 138k in 24-hour trade volume, and this is just on Ethereum. If we take a look at CoinMarketCap, which we will move on to in a bit, you'll see a more detailed breakdown of the trade volume. Volt always has great trade volume, and right now we're sitting in this range, like I said in my previous videos on Volt, at a $70 million to $100 million market cap range for Volt. Don't worry, guys, it's perfect. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you why this is perfect. At these levels for Volt, you have the ultimate opportunity to accumulate as much Volt as you can. A lot of analysts that I've researched, I'm always on crypto Twitter, I'm always looking at the stock and index markets, guys, doing a whole lot of research for when, you know, the pivotal moment for the Fed to pivot and reduce those interest rates. When that moment happens, it's gonna be absolutely crazy for Volt. So right now, you be patient, you accumulate, you DCA into one of the most, if not the most bullish meme coin projects in the space. If you are a fan of meme coins, you like Doge, Shiba, Volt has to be one of your top picks, one of my favorite projects. Like, it's so unbelievable how bullish this project is. The community, you guys, like I said, every video, are super based. I've never seen a community this based, you know, in a bear market. This is bear market conditions, guys, and you guys are so active, so engaged on, you know, every social media platform for Volt, and it's absolutely insane to see. Everyone else at this present moment, because of the bear market, has left crypto Twitter. They got wrecked by the bear market. You know what I'm saying? They packed it up, they went home, they're like, nah, crypto is a scam, they don't believe in crypto. You guys, as the Volt Army, the voltage never stops. You guys are tough, indestructible. It don't matter what market conditions we got for Volt. You guys have kept pushing, and this is one of the worst bear markets as far as what I've seen from analysts. This is one of the worst bear markets we've seen, and a project like Volt is holding up so well. So much stability in the chart in this market, in these type of market conditions. And if you're a part of the Volt Army watching this video right now, your patience will be rewarded. Everyone else in the crypto space has packed it up. They left. They are not here. The engagement of content creators, tweets, TikToks on crypto are pretty much abysmal at this point in time, right? No one is here. The Volt Army is here, though. The Volt Army still building. Volt Toshi still developing. Pablo, Jake, Rodney, any other new you know, influencers for Volt. The Volt community, you guys watching right now, you are still here. You are built tough. You're still pushing forward during these type of market conditions, and trust me, you will get rewarded when we see the craziest bull market known to the crypto markets, guys. As I said earlier, Volt is at a $70.6 million market cap, and we more than likely will be in an accumulation phase, going a bit of sideways, working on that spring, compressing the spring, you know, moving sideways until we get a huge pop to that upside, a huge expansion of that spring to the upside. Just have to be patient, guys. No doubts in my mind that Volt will absolutely crush it. There's so much engagement for Volt on every social media platform. You can't deny that fact. When you open up Twitter, you scroll Twitter, every time I scroll, I see something related to Volt. I like and retweet. You know what I'm saying? I'm spreading the word as well, because this project is so bullish, man. Like, this isn't your typical meme coin. This isn't your typical project. The voltage never stops. You have to look for the unicorns, and Volt is a unicorn that will outperform so many projects going into the next bull cycle. And you know, it's gonna be a crazy time. So hold on to your seatbelts, Volt Army. As we can see from CoinMarketCap, 70,992 people have Volt on their watch list. That number is just gonna keep going up. The community for Volt just keeps growing. The Volt Army just keeps growing. We're sitting at $3.676 million in 24-hour trade volume. Down 4%. This is such great trade volume, and we're down 4%. That's absolutely bullish, guys. That's so great to see. This type of trade volume you only get trade volume like this on a regular basis when the market, we're in a bear market, guys. I can't stress that enough. We're in a bear market with the most terrible market conditions, and we have $3.6 million in 24-hour trade volume. You only get trade volume like this on bullish projects, on absolutely bullish projects like Volt. Let's take a look at the detailed breakdown. As you guys can see, 139k on Uniswap, 29k on PancakeSwap, Gate.io around $1 million, Poloniex 465k on Poloniex, guys, and we just recently got listed on Poloniex, so that is great to see. That means a lot of people on this exchange are bullish on Volt. I think Volt is one exchange away from 100 centralized exchanges. What's gonna be number 100? Is it gonna be something that blows our mind? Are they planning something like that? We'll see what happens in the future, but the more exchanges, the better. It's like I say in my previous videos, it's ease of access. It's super convenient if you could get Volt on a variety of different places, right? It's super bullish, super ease of access. It's great for, you know, new investors who aren't used to like the Uniswaps and the PancakeSwaps. They're not used to DeFi, so the more exchanges, the better. And it's only a matter of time until Volt is listed on an exchange like a KuCoin, for example. With that type of trade volume that we just saw, guys, this type of trade volume in a bear market, right? Nobody's in crypto right now, you know. Only the potential, the future generational wealth millionaires like you guys, the Volt Army. Those are the only people in crypto right now, you know. With that type of trade volume that we see right here, multiple tier 1 exchanges will be super happy to scoop up some of that trade volume. So KuCoin for Volt, I'm sure they got that planned and they're working on it, and it's gonna happen before we know it, guys. It's just patience. You just have to exercise patience and those diamond hands. But every day we could see when it comes to Volt, there's no fake promises. They're always delivering. They're always ambitious. There's always innovation. There's not just hype for Volt. It has a huge amount of potential. You can't rule that out. I'm gonna paint a picture for you guys as the Volt Army. The market finally turns around. The Fed has absolutely crushed the economy because interest rates are too high. Now they have to go into disinflation, right? Now they have to lower rates as fast as possible. Now they have to add liquidity to the economy, add liquidity to the markets, meaning they have to turn on the money printers, right? And then we have Bitcoin on its way to new all-time highs, Doge, Shiba, and then there's so many people, because all the people that are out of crypto right now, all of them are just gonna flood in like, you know, a dam broke, a tsunami hit. It's just gonna be a huge flood of new investors, right? I'm painting this picture for you guys. I want you guys to, you know, imagine what I'm saying right now. There's a huge flood of new investors, and the Volt army has kept building and pushing. They're gonna scroll through crypto Twitter and see all these vaults. This Volt Inu. What is Volt Inu? They're gonna rush into that Volt Inu so fast, guys. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna be right there watching it unfold and be like, dang, look at this. What is happening here? We also have some huge Volt news, but the Volt team always delivers, so it's nothing new, guys. An honor to be mentioned by Goshstein Media as one of the meme coins of the year. You know what to do, Volt army. Vote for Volt. And then we have a tweet right here from Goshstein Media. Goshstein Media presents Web3 Awards 2022. Epic live stream awarding the most influential people on events in Web3. Then we have a breakdown. We have meme of the year, troll of the year, and then you could go in meme coin of 2022, and you could go in and vote for Volt. Vote for Volt. That's a tongue twister right there. Go get y'all votes in and absolutely crush it, and let them know who the big dog is. Big Volt. The voltage never stops. Let's go. Huge shout outs to Pablo doing some good in the world and giving back. This was by far the coolest experience ever. Thank you, Volt Inu, Elon Goat, Prio M for coming together and putting this awesome charity this time of the year. And it has a link to the YouTube video right here. Giving back is awesome to see. Doing good in this crazy world is absolutely awesome to see. Shout outs to Pablo and the Volt team and everybody in the community, man. You guys, like I said, you guys are absolutely crushing it and doing good in the world as well. Is like a you know, a cherry on top, man. That's great. And we have a tweet from J Bro, day 100, kindly asking Coinbase to list Volt Inu, the people's cryptocurrency. I'm not giving up. Probably nothing. Anything is possible in crypto. Expect the unexpected. Coinbase and Volt fit so well. Look at how the from the little video we got, how the brands and logos match each other so well. It's like it's destined to happen in the future. Coinbase and Volt, can't rule it out. You can't rule it out at all. Volt Army, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it if you guys made it to the end of the video as well. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get this video out there to everyone. Let's get them voted. And if this is your first time hearing about Volt, comment down below. Let me know what you think of the project. Everything Volt and myself will be down in the description. And I'll catch you in the next video. The voltage never stops. Peace.